Whether you are going out hiking or to the beach with friends, there's nothing quite like having your drinks and snacks ice cold. But between the backpacks, tents, mats, and other gear you'll have to take along, carrying an extra cooler to hold your munchies can be daunting. This is where cooler backpacks save the day. Also called backpack coolers, these functional bags are designed like regular backpacks but feature an insulated and waterproof interior that allows you to store your drinks and add ice to keep them cool on the move, without dripping. Miami Herald's review of the leading cooler backpacks in 2023 is your best bet to finding just the one for you. Number 1. Everlasting Comfort Cooler Backpack. If Everlasting Comfort doesn't guarantee luxury, then what will? Nothing. As the name implies, this product is your best bet for all-time suitability. How? It is large enough to hold up to 54 cans, and it has side pockets. Unlike other bags, it provides enough space to accommodate all of your needs. If you're hitting the beach or you've got a need to use backpacks, tuck your wine, as much as 4 bottles, into this piece, and they'll sit comfortably. No fluff, the product maintains your food's temperature at all times, and on top of that, it bumps off every fear of leaking. Liner and waterproof zippers help you store your ice, soda, and beer cans without fear. The hard liner and waterproof zippers make our backpack coolers insulated leak-proof, ensuring your drinks and food are safely stored. Perfect for kayaking, fishing, and golf. Number 2. Turret Cooler Backpack. Weighing about 1.1 pounds, the Turret Cooler Backpack is undoubtedly one of the most portable backpacks you'll ever find. It comes in handy for all trips, picnics, daily hiking, or beach trips, and can fit into any event. Whether you're a fan of simple travel or you love to go extra, you'll find this cooler backpack perfect. Its portable design means there's hardly any way you won't enjoy comfort with it. Padded straps, stylish design, and quality material, you'll find all you need in this pack. Overall, it is best for hiking, but you may use it as you please. The backpack will ensure your food stays cool on a trip or at the beach. All you need to is ensure safety, do not place ice directly into the pack. Made of waterproof, durable fabric, the best lightweight backpack with cooler for work, picnics, road, beach trips, hiking, camping, cycling, a perfect gift for men and women. Number 3. Carhartt 2-in-1 Insulated Cooler Backpack. If you're looking for a backpack and a cooler instead of a backpack cooler, the Carhartt 2-in-1 Insulated Cooler is just that. Carhartt's backpack cooler is divided into 2 sections, the insulated bottom fitting up to 12 cans, and the top, which is suitable for other items you might need to take hiking, to school, or to work. Bonus, there are numerous pockets and compartments for extra storage. Carhartt uses its classic 1200 denier polyester and some proprietary durable water repellent to boost the durability of this pack. While it didn't do as well at cold and ice retention as other packs we tested, our testers loved how comfortable and easy it was to carry. They also enjoyed the cooler pack's simplistic design and school backpack feel. One main issue with this pack is the leaking through the zipper. Our testers noted that this pack couldn't be turned upside down if you use loose ice, which inevitably melts. Of course, the best way around this is to use ice packs. Number 4. Seehonor Cooler Backpack. This cooler backpack comes with several compartments and is large enough to suit your needs. Looking for a lightweight cooler backpack that's also perfectly insulated? This backpack is for you. The product literally helps you avoid stress, and its adjustable shoulder straps provide comfort. You can pack all you need for one outing and trust Seehonor to house them. It comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and you can be assured that it would neither rip nor tear. With Seehonor cooler backpacks, your outdoor fun activities are made better. They contain large storage compartments and side pockets that allow you to tuck extras. Besides used as excellent soft cooler bag, it is also a perfect lightweight gear for lunch backpack, hiking backpack, camping backpack, fishing backpack, travel backpack, hunting, trail, cycling, overnight stay and other outdoor activities. Suitable for both men and women. Number 5. Coleman Cooler Backpack. Time and time again, you find yourself losing items just because there's too much to stuff in your handbag. Thankfully, Coleman is here for you. With Coleman Cooler Backpacks, you can easily store items in different compartments and avoid hassles. It's normal to have a lot to pack when you're hitting the beach or going on a hike. But you may bypass loss by simply storing items according to their importance. Your journal, for instance, may lie somewhere in the pack's front pocket while the main meal stays elsewhere. Store drinks for a long time, and they'll stay chilled. Coleman never disappoints, with premium capacity that holds well up to 28 cans and extra storage that houses accessories. It is more than certain you'll find this quite a delight.